Welcome guys to Club Cash Fund. My name is Robert Weekley and I am excited. I've been working fast. You work consistent, you go out there and hustle, really hard, then you can reap the benefits you know, in a week and a half's time. I joined April 26th. It's May 13th, made $240 earnings, you know. Got 8 kits on my behalf, 2 kits in position 2, 54 kits in position 1, 25 kits in position 2. I am ranked number 3 with 7 referrals right now. I am definitely, doing really good right now, and I am just being consistent, and it pays off, guys. It does. It pays off, and I mean, you can't go wrong. The company mails your starter kits, your flyers on your behalf. You don't have to pay for no postage, stamps. So that's crazy, guys. I mean, it has beaten any direct mail opportunity out there just because the stamps are expensive for one, and you have integrity. What the owner has done for Club Cash Fund, because you have a website, okay? You have places to go that you can purchase traffic, and it's going to convert, okay? So if you're looking, your sponsor, shopping or whatever, that's fine, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's just a win-win situation, and this is just blowing up, guys. So you definitely need to understand that it is going to, be around, guys. This is going to be around. It's picking up. Go ahead and click that link below, because once this thing kicks off, you can get 20, 20, 20s, all in the 3 levels. Once your team starts promoting it, your name's going to fall here and here. Okay, you get the big picture. So Robert Weekley with Club Cash Fund. Go ahead, click that link below, request your starter kit, and that's all you have to do. Too easy. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.